Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
Jeremiah here with RVFix. So in this video we're going to show you how to check the fuses for your converter and both a all-in-one and a standalone converter system. So on this one, the converter is actually part of the breaker box, and you'll see these 325 amp fuses. So you'll just pull those fuses. If one's blown, usually all of them are blown. So pull the fuse out here. I like to use needle nose because my fingers are big, but you can see that that is a solid straight through line. It's not melted, it's not burnt. So that is a good fuse. All right, so now we're out here. We're gonna show you where the fuses are in the standalone converter. So if you look back here, these are typically what they look like. Just kind of a silver box. We're actually right behind the power center, as you can see around the corner of the cabinet. Now, back here, you'll see the black and the red terminals right here. Right on the other side of that are the fuses. So they're the same exact one as the other one. They just might be different sizes, but that blade style, you're just gonna pop them out. Check them. There's usually 2 on these standalone converters. And you're just gonna make sure that those are good. If that doesn't fix your converter issue, there may be something else going on. And just give us a call and we'll be able to help you out.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.